to what extent can I take the load of caregiving? So that's because I need to preserve my mental bandwidth.
What if there is a 65-year-old matriarch, previously very healthy, and he's suddenly diagnosed with a critical illness requiring continuous care for years? What is a family, you think? What as a family should one do?
So first and foremost, educate yourself about what would be the course of this illness. The first thing is equip yourself, know what it is going to be like, and therefore, seek professional help. Second is, to what extent can I take the load of caregiving? So that's because I need to preserve my mental bandwidth.
True.
So immediately with that diagnosis, there are two patients, in a way, a person and myself. And for how long? And again, I should not be overconfident, guilt, expectations, what society will think, what my brother will think, all of that, needs to be kept aside, and practically you need to think what's practically possible for me that will work for me. So caregiving is the second angle. You prepare for it emotionally, you prepare for it financially, right? Third is, do your homework in service providers, because it is not very structured, it's not very regulated. Take references of people who have used services. So I think some amount of due diligence is good, especially if you're going to have a carer at home, if you're not going to be there and so on. Again, the whole trust, safety aspect. And lastly, agar nahi ho raha hai, accept it. Accept it, look for a professional solution, seek, maybe go to an elder care home. You can go to an elder care home on a temporary basis also. You need respite.
Yes.
Okay, give yourself that respite, go for that vacation.
Canara HSBC Life Insurance, promises का partner.